Hello students, in today's video we'll be understanding how this JEE Mains, how to check this JEE Mains response sheet given and answer keys given by the JEE board. So now first what you have to do is go to the JEE Mains website, and after clicking there you'll be getting here this page, and there is one option called registration or answer key challenge for JEE Main 2026, not registration. So click this one. When you click that, you will go to a page where you have to enter application number and password. So example you can take like this. So you'll go to this page. When you go to this page, you have to click here, answer key challenge for JEE Main 2026 session. So when you click to this one, already we have taken that one. When you click there, you get this page. So there will be three options like this. So go to BTech. When you click this, you get, already it is downloaded. All the key answer given by the board is downloaded. So go to click to view challenge answer key. When you click there, we get this one first, where you will have this type of screen, NTA JEE Mains. So application number, everything, the candidate, whatever they have answered, that option ID will be there, question ID will be there, and before that you have to download this and keep, so that it will be eliminated very early. So have a print and then save it there. So next, when you go to, 1 minute. So this will be the page. So in this page, they have given the question number, and then correct option is there, question number ID will be there, correct options will be given, and you have to check all these options ID claimed, whatever. If you have a doubt about this, see here, there is a question number, this one. The correct key answer given by the board is this one, JEE board, and these are all the one which you doubt. Example, this is your answer, you have already taken. Now you have the doubt that this is only answer, not this one. At that time you can challenge by clicking this one like this, and then finally submitting. So let us now check how the question number with this key answer you have to correct with your paper. So first what we do, so you can take any question which you have answered, like we will go with this one. So first one is not answered. So this one, we'll check this one, status answered. So question number 5, question type, question number ID you see 608. So they have chosen 3, that is 069. 608 is question ID, and the option she has tick is 069. So we'll check that 608. Okay, here 608 is this one, 608 question number ID, and then here the correct answer is 071. So this is the correct answer. So 071, and 071 is the key answer. But here you see answered 071, 2 is the correct answer. So like this, you go on checking all the question number ID matching with the key given by the NTA, and then you have to compare here. If you feel that yours is correct, then you can challenge there. So if you want to challenge, what you have to do, I already said you. So just you have to imagine 08, 608, 071 is the key answer, and if you want to challenge it that this is correct, so then you have to tick there, and then last you have to go save your claims. If you save your claims, then you have to pay 200 rupees, which is non-refundable. But see that you confirm your answer, and then you have to challenge the board. So please You will get all the information about this. If you have any doubts, please comment it in the box and then subscribe to our channel for further information. If you have any doubts, please comment it in the inbox. Until then, bye bye.